I wish, therefore, to take this opportunity to thank the Chief of Defense Intelligence and Security and the entire UPDF leadership for having entrusted me with this noble duty. I therefore congratulate the incoming Assistant Chief Defense Intelligence and Security in charge Defense Engagement and International Affairs upon the appointment to this department, and I wish him the best. I thank you.
Sir, I want to thank you for suggesting my name to oversee, caretake this office. And I know very well, for the time that I've spent in protocol, that this office that I'm taking over this morning closely works with the office of the head of protocol. In fact, you may not easily differentiate. So there's a lot of interlinkage between these offices. I believe that having settled in quite well in the office of the head of protocol, I'll be able to use this short experience to manage the requirements of the office that Colonel Naboth is handing over to me. I therefore, sir, accept the challenge, and I promise that I will do my best to ensure that the mandate is effectively implemented of this office. Thank you very much, sir.
I want to inform all of you, as UPDF officers and maybe men, that transfers are routine tour of duties. Unlike a human being, you have to move from one space to another. So I want to thank you, Naboth, for so far what you have been, and that I am very optimistic that the new assignment is going to be good, and that we are not going to go leave you. We shall still supervise and guide you like you have been doing. Guide you. And as for you, Buddy, this has been your department. I really don't have to tell you so much. Only what you're supposed to do is to ensure that you consult him, consult your deputy and I, and all this, so that they can bring you to speed.